Pickled ginger is done. So let's give this a little taste. I love pickled ginger. That was a perfect thickness. And it's not too sweet. It's got that heat from the ginger. Absolutely delicious.
Thank you all so much for joining me tonight and letting me share my recipes and experiments with you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'd love to hear any recommendations you have for what I can cook next, so let me know in the comments below. And please follow me on Instagram and Facebook to keep up with any updates, and share any pictures or comments if you try out one of my recipes. Well, I hope y'all have a super blessed night, and I'll see you soon. Bye!